Chosen one for a long time, you felt different without fully understanding why. You walked into rooms and sensed things other people ignored. You noticed hidden tension behind fake smiles. You felt the weight of words people never spoke out loud. While others followed trends, chased distractions, and accepted shallow conversations, something inside you kept searching for deeper meaning. You tried to explain it before, but most people could not understand what you were feeling, because not. Everyone sees life the same way. Some people only notice what is happening on the surface. But there are individuals who can sense what is happening underneath it all. They recognize patterns. They observe energy. They understand emotions people try to hide. And when someone with that level of awareness enters the world, they often feel isolated at first, because true understanding is rare. That is why you spent so much time feeling misunderstood. People saw your silence and assumed you had nothing to say. They saw your calmness and assumed you lacked ambition. They saw your distance and assumed you did not care. But the truth was completely different. You were observing. You were learning. You were protecting your energy in a world filled with noise and confusion. And now, after everything you have experienced, someone finally looks at you and says, "You actually get it. Not because you are perfect, not because you know everything, but because you understand things most people ignore. You understand that success without peace means nothing. You understand that attention is not the same as respect. You understand that many people are emotionally lost while pretending to be confident. You understand that discipline matters more than temporary motivation. Most importantly, you understand that life changes the moment a person becomes aware of their own patterns, thoughts, and choices. That kind of awareness changes everything. People who truly get it begin moving differently. They stop wasting energy trying to impress everyone around them. They stop chasing validation from people who do not even value themselves. They become more intentional with their time, their relationships, and their goals. Why? Because awareness creates responsibility. Once you see clearly, you can no longer live unconsciously. That is why your old habits started feeling uncomfortable. Conversations that once entertained you now feel empty. Certain environments drain you faster than before. Your spirit has outgrown things that no longer align with your growth. And while other people may think you are changing too much, what is really happening is evolution. You are becoming more aligned with who you truly are. The difficult part is that growth often creates separation. Not everyone can go where you are going. Not everyone will understand your mindset, and not everyone will celebrate your transformation. Some people only liked the version of you that lacked confidence. Others felt comfortable when you doubted yourself because your insecurity made them feel safe. But once you start thinking independently, protecting your peace, and refusing to settle for less, certain relationships naturally begin to shift. Do not fear that shift. Every level of growth requires a different mindset, different habits, and sometimes different people around you. There is also something powerful about finally being understood after years of feeling unseen. It reminds you that your perspective was never wrong. Your awareness was never a weakness. Your sensitivity was never something to be ashamed of. In fact, the ability to see deeper than the surface is what allows you to grow beyond limitation. Many people spend their entire lives distracted by entertainment, distracted by comparison, distracted by fear, distracted by other people's expectations. But individuals who truly get it begin asking deeper questions. Who am I becoming? What kind of life am I building? Am I growing or just repeating cycles? Am I protecting my peace or sacrificing it for approval? These questions separate conscious living from automatic living. And once someone begins living consciously, everything changes. Their decisions become more intentional. Their standards become stronger. Their focus becomes sharper. Their energy becomes more protected. That is why you no longer feel comfortable settling for temporary happiness while ignoring long-term purpose. You have seen what happens when people live disconnected from themselves. They become emotionally exhausted, mentally distracted, and spiritually empty. But you are learning something different now. Peace matters, discipline matters, self-respect matters, purpose matters. And the moment someone recognizes that about you, they immediately realize, this person actually understands. So stop questioning your growth. Stop shrinking your awareness to make others comfortable. Stop apologizing for evolving beyond. Environments that no longer fit your future. You were never meant to stay asleep in a distracted world. You were meant to wake up, see clearly, and inspire others to do the same through the way you live your life. Because in a world filled with noise, confusion, and imitation, people who truly understand life at a deeper level become impossible to ignore. Awareness creates deeper understanding. The speech teaches that true growth begins when a person becomes more aware of their thoughts, emotions, habits, and surroundings. Individuals who actually get it are often those who look beyond surface-level distractions and seek deeper meaning, purpose, and understanding in life. Authenticity requires courage. The message explains that becoming your true self often separates you from people and environments that no longer align with your growth. It inspires listeners to embrace authenticity, protect their peace, and stop changing themselves just to gain approval from others. Growth changes priorities and relationships. As awareness increases, priorities naturally shift. The speech highlights how emotionally mature individuals begin valuing peace, discipline, self-respect, and purpose more than attention or temporary pleasure. This transformation can also change relationships and social circles. Conscious living leads to transformation. The speech encourages intentional living instead of automatic living. It teaches that asking deeper questions about life, purpose, and personal growth leads to wiser decisions, stronger focus, emotional balance, and a more meaningful future. Awareness is one of the most important qualities a person can develop because it changes the way life is understood and experienced. Many people move through life on autopilot, repeating habits, reacting emotionally, and following routines without deeply questioning their thoughts, decisions, or direction. However, true growth begins when a person becomes more conscious of themselves and the world around them. Awareness allows individuals to move beyond surface-level living and begin understanding life on a deeper level. A person with awareness pays attention not only to what is happening externally, but also to what is happening internally. They begin observing their emotions, thought patterns, reactions, and behaviors more carefully. Instead of being controlled by every feeling or situation, they learn to pause, reflect, and understand why they think or act in certain ways. This self-understanding creates emotional intelligence and better decision-making. Awareness also helps people recognize the difference between temporary distractions and meaningful purpose. In today's world, it is easy to become consumed by social pressure, comparison, entertainment, or the constant need for approval. But aware individuals begin questioning whether those things truly bring fulfillment. They realize that peace, discipline, healthy relationships, and personal growth carry far more value than temporary attention or material success alone. As awareness increases, perspective changes. People start noticing patterns in their lives, understanding the consequences of their actions, and begin to make changes to improve their lives. And recognizing environments that either support or damage their growth. They become more selective with their energy, time, and focus because they understand that every choice influences their future. This deeper understanding often leads to personal transformation. A person no longer lives only for survival or external validation. Instead, they begin living with intention, purpose, and greater clarity. They become more thoughtful, disciplined, and emotionally balanced. Ultimately, awareness is powerful because it awakens people to their true potential. Once someone begins seeing clearly, they can no longer comfortably remain trapped in unhealthy cycles, limiting beliefs, or shallow ways of living. Awareness becomes the foundation for wisdom, growth, and lasting inner change. Authenticity requires courage because being true to yourself is not always easy in a world that constantly pressures people to fit in. From a young age, many individuals learn to seek approval, avoid criticism, and adapt their behavior to satisfy the expectations of others. Over time, this can create a disconnect between who a person truly is and the version of themselves they present to the world. Authenticity begins when someone decides to stop hiding behind fear and starts living according to their real values, beliefs, and identity. This process often feels uncomfortable at first because honesty attracts both acceptance and resistance. Not everyone will understand personal growth or support change. Some people become uncomfortable when someone begins thinking independently, setting boundaries, or refusing to settle for unhealthy situations. This is because authenticity challenges the comfort of people who are used to conformity or emotional dependence. Courage becomes necessary because living authentically sometimes means standing alone. It may require walking away from environments that limit growth, speaking honestly even when it is unpopular, or refusing to compromise personal values for temporary approval. These choices can create fear of rejection or isolation, but they also create self-respect and inner peace. Authentic individuals understand that constantly pretending to be someone else eventually becomes emotionally exhausting. Seeking validation from everyone often leads to anxiety, insecurity, and loss of identity. However, when a person accepts themselves honestly, they become more confident and emotionally stable. They stop measuring their worth by public opinion and begin building confidence from within. Authenticity also improves relationships and decision-making. When people are honest about who they attract healthier connections based on truth rather than performance. They become clearer about their goals, priorities, and direction in life because they are no longer trying to live according to someone else's expectations. In the end, authenticity is not about perfection, it is about alignment. It is the courage to live honestly, protect your peace, and remain true to yourself even when the world pressures you to become someone else. As people grow emotionally, mentally, and spiritually, their priorities naturally begin to change. What once seemed important may no longer hold the same value, and activities or relationships that once felt meaningful can start to feel empty or draining. This shift is a normal part of personal growth because awareness changes the way individuals see themselves, others, and life as a whole. Growth does not only change goals, it changes mindset, standards, habits, and the type of energy a person allows into their life. In the early stages of life, many people focus heavily on external validation, attention, popularity, or temporary pleasure. They may spend large amounts of time trying to impress others or fit into environments that do not truly support their well-being. However, as maturity and awareness develop, awareness of the risks and consequences of the situation increases. Priorities begin moving toward things with deeper value such as peace of mind, emotional stability, discipline, meaningful relationships, and long-term purpose. This transformation often affects relationships. Some connections naturally become weaker because growth changes compatibility. A person who is becoming more disciplined and self-aware may no longer feel comfortable around constant negativity, dishonesty, or unhealthy behavior. Certain friendships or environments may begin to feel limiting rather than supportive. While this can feel painful at first, it is often a sign that a person is evolving into a different stage of life. Growth also teaches the importance of protecting energy and time. Mature individuals become more intentional with who they spend time with and how they invest their attention. They realize that every environment influences mindset and emotional health. As a result, they begin choosing relationships and activities that encourage growth instead of distraction or emotional exhaustion. This change in priorities does not mean a person becomes cold or distant. Instead, it reflects a deeper understanding of what truly matters. Emotional maturity helps people focus less on temporary approval and more on inner peace, purpose, and self-respect. In the end, growth naturally reshapes both priorities and relationships because transformation changes not only the way people live, but also the standards they choose to live by. In conclusion, personal growth begins with awareness and develops through the courage to live authentically. When individuals become more conscious of their thoughts, emotions, habits, and surroundings, they begin to realize the impact of their thoughts on their lives. They begin to understand themselves and life on a much deeper level. This awareness helps them move beyond distractions and make decisions that are more aligned with their purpose and well-being. Authenticity then becomes an important part of that transformation. Living honestly and staying true to personal values requires courage, especially in a world where many people seek approval and fear rejection. However, those who choose authenticity often discover greater confidence, emotional peace, and stronger self-respect because they are no longer pretending to be someone they are not. As growth continues, priorities and relationships naturally change. People begin valuing peace, discipline, meaningful connections, and long-term purpose more than temporary validation or superficial success. Some relationships may fade, not because growth is wrong, but because personal evolution changes what a person needs and accepts in their life. Together, awareness, authenticity, and changing priorities create a foundation for lasting transformation. They help individuals live more intentionally, protect their energy, and build lives that reflect their true values instead of outside pressure. Although growth can sometimes feel uncomfortable or isolating, it ultimately leads to greater clarity, emotional maturity, and inner strength. In the end, the journey of personal growth is about becoming more connected to who you truly are. It is about choosing purpose over distraction, self-respect over approval, and conscious living over automatic habits. Those who embrace this process gradually become wiser, stronger, and more fulfilled in both their relationships and their overall direction in life.